Now we have to get inside the next program, that is counter. Okay, so in counters, as I've already told, that two types of counters we're going to deal with. One is asynchronous, other is synchronous. Okay, so asynchronous counters code, then we would need the test bench too. Where is it? Yeah. And the constants file. Okay, now counters are sequentials, so they would need a clock, and if there is a clock, so obviously in the constants file, first you have to define the clock, its time period and waveform, and then the rise time and fall time, everything you have to mention, and then you have to go for the setting of delay. Okay, so this is the test bench and this is the code. Alright, so now let us start. Okay, so this has been completed. Next is the synthesis part. So set attribute lib search path RTL HDL, then library space slow high vt dot lib. Okay, then read HDL space, name of the code is Asynchronous Counter dot v. Then we elaborate. Okay, then we go for the reports. Now we need to add the constraints file. So sync counter.g, then we synthesize. Now the reports. Okay, so asynchronous counter is done. Close this.